We are pleased to show you the 2022 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, privacy glass, front wheel drive, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.